Welcome to our guide on building a good credit score. In this video, we'll explore what a credit score is, why it's important, and how you can improve yours. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, used by lenders to assess lending risks. A good credit score can lead to better interest rates, more loan options, and even influence job opportunities. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down the basics, provide tips for maintaining a good score, and highlight common mistakes to avoid. By understanding these key concepts, you'll be well on your way to achieving and maintaining a healthy credit score. Let's dive in and start our journey towards building an excellent credit score together. A good credit score can unlock many financial opportunities, but what exactly makes up a credit score? Let's dive into the basics. A credit score includes several components: payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Payment history is the most significant, accounting for about 35% of your score, reflecting whether you pay your bills on time. Amounts owed make up 30%, examining how much debt you have in comparison to your available credit. Length of credit history, contributing 15%, considers how long you've been using credit. New credit, representing 10%, involves the number of new accounts opened and recent inquiries. Finally, types of credit used, also at 10%, look at your mix of credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Credit scores range from 300 to 850, with scores above 700 considered good and above 800 excellent. Scores below 600 can signal financial trouble. Understanding these components is crucial, but knowing how to improve and maintain your score is key. Let's see how you can take charge of your credit health. A poor credit score can impact various aspects of your life, from higher interest rates to difficulties securing loans or rental housing. In some cases, it can even affect job prospects, as employers may check credit reports during the hiring process. Let's delve deeper into common issues those with low credit scores face. Struggling with high borrowing costs and being denied essential financial services are just a few long-term consequences. Understanding these challenges is crucial to taking steps toward improvement. Discover actionable tips to turn things around and build a healthier credit score as we continue. Improving your credit score can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With consistent actions, you can boost your score over time. First, prioritize paying your bills on time, as late payments can severely impact your score. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Next, reduce your debt. High credit balances can weigh down your score. Focus on paying down loans and credit card balances to lower your credit utilization ratio, a significant part of your score. Avoid new credit inquiries. Each application adds a hard inquiry to your report, temporarily lowering your score. Only apply for new credit when necessary and when confident of approval. Regularly check your credit reports to monitor progress and catch errors or fraudulent activity early. You're entitled to a free credit report annually from each of the three major bureaus. Improving your credit score is gradual, but these steps can guide you towards stronger financial health. Pay on time, reduce debt, avoid unnecessary inquiries, and keep an eye on your reports. Next, learn how avoiding common mistakes and adopting long-term strategies can help you maintain a good credit score. Avoiding common mistakes is essential for maintaining a good credit score. Always make your payments on time. Missing even a single payment can significantly damage your score. Be mindful of your credit utilization. Maxing out your credit cards can signal to lenders that you are overextended, lowering your score. Regularly check your credit reports to catch errors or fraudulent activities early. Ignoring them can harm your creditworthiness. Stay tuned for effective long-term strategies to maintain a good credit score. To sustain a good credit score over time, implement a few long-term strategies. Consistent monitoring of your credit report allows you to detect and address discrepancies early. Keeping your balances low is crucial, as high balances negatively impact your credit utilization ratio, a critical factor in score calculation. Building a diverse credit portfolio is also important. Responsibly using different types of credit, like installment loans, credit cards, and retail accounts, can improve your overall credit history. Moving forward, you'll discover more advanced techniques and practical tips to keep your financial journey on the right path. As we reach the end of our guide, let's recap the key points. We've explored how vital a good credit score is for your financial health, offering actionable tips like paying bills on time, reducing debt, and regularly checking your credit reports. Remember to avoid common pitfalls such as missing payments and maxing out credit cards. Long-term strategies like consistent credit monitoring and maintaining low balances are crucial. By following these steps, you can improve and maintain a strong credit score. Start implementing these tips today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better credit health. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on financial well-being. Visit our website for in-depth guides, tools, and resources to help you achieve your financial goals. Engage with our content by liking, commenting, and sharing your successes and questions. Together, we can build a stronger financial future. Until next time, remember, good credit opens doors to endless possibilities.